Hi friends, welcome to my channel Computer Technologies again. Today I'll show you how to write long values, long numeric values in Excel. So first of all, let's open the Excel. Say this is the Excel. Suppose you write here 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, 8. So if you now enter, so it will be converted to like this, but the actual value is not showing. So how to rectify this type of problem, I'll show you a technique. So just at the beginning, just write this single quotation, just write single quotation, then you write the numbers. Then it will not, then the value will be shown whatever you have written. So it will not be displayed like this, so it will be displayed like this. Actually, whenever we write this single quotation, it is automatically, this cell is automatically converted to text type cell. So in another way you can do like this, just right click here, right click the cell, and format cells. Format cells, then just select this text type, then OK. Now you write like this, whatever you write, it will be displayed as it is like this. But converting each cell to text type takes more time. So while data entry you don't have much time, so it is better to use this technique. Just write single quotation, then you write whatever numeric data, whatever numeric data you want. So this is how you write long numeric data in Excel. Thank you. Please subscribe to my channel and support me and encourage me to upload more videos. Thank you.